what are the primary benefits of a hybrid trust compared to other trust structures?
Great question. Well, it's right there in front of us. And the word hybrid contains all of the details that you need to know. There are many different types of trusts. So I'd rather not go through an exhaustive list, but you could just do a simple Google search and you can see that this can get very confusing and very quickly. And it's meant to be that way. Statutory trusts, pretty much, those are the ones that a lawyer will create for you. They are, and the ones that the state will sign off on. And they have a lot of requirements that go with them. They don't provide any of the protections that these private trusts hold. The reason they're hybrid is because we've pulled on provisions and clauses that essentially from every single type of trust or that is a specialized trust, we've taken a specific intent, and then we've customized the structure with provisions and clauses that are customized to your dream so that they can support your vision. So a hybrid trust is the best of all worlds in a trust. Now, our trusts lean very heavy on religious and agricultural exemptions. The people who founded these nation states, they were either farmers or church-going people. And pretty much, that's pretty much the foundation for the entire civilization and the organized system that we're in right now. So that being said, hybrid trust is the best of all worlds. It takes on everything that you would need to be able to operate efficiently as a 508c1a entity or a religious faith-based organization, even if that be just a nation of one. So with that, we've taken that and put it on paper. And we've included a lot of legalese to support your dreams, and everybody's is different. Everybody has a different vision. So that's point one on the hybrid. And one more point, this can get we can go drill into this as deep as you guys want to. But one more point that I'd like to mention is another way that it is a hybridized trust is that the grantor, upon signing the document and conveying all of the grantor's interests and any liabilities where books need to be balanced, conveying everything into that. Essentially, from that point, the grantor takes off the grantor hat and steps into the hat of the principal trustee or a chairperson, a chairman or chairwoman of a board of trustees that governs and manages the affairs for the trust. Now, we also appoint beneficiaries, obviously, but we prefer a board of beneficiaries that governs the dream of the grantor. And because these are inter vivos trusts, third reason why it's hybrid is because upon the death of the grantor, it goes testamentary, meaning that it's designed as a legacy trust to be able to look after and convey the interest and the dream of the grantor and the grantor's connection to, whoever their great spirit is, 7 generations into the future, minimum.